Hello guys, today in this video I am going to share you information about how my created app translator work. So first you install translator app in your phone and open it. Here you can see enter text to translate. Here English language sentence or words or sentences enter. For example, I am entering some words or sentences. Then after you select language like Arabic, Bengal, Danish, Dutch, Georgian, German, Greek, Gujarati, Hindi, Hungary, Malayalam, Marathi, Punjabi, Paris, Portuguese, Romanian, Rus, Slovak, Sudan, Tamil, Telugu, Thai, Urdu, Vietnam and Wales. You select any one language. I select here Gujarati, and after selecting the language you need to click on the translate button and see here translation. So using this app you enter any English language sentence or word and select 25 different languages and see the output.